Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn surveying. The definition of surveying is the art of determining the relative positions of different objects on the surface of the earth by measuring the horizontal distance between them. It is related only in horizontal plane. Leveling. Definition of leveling is the art of determining the relative vertical distances of different points on the surface of the earth. It is related only in vertical plane. या अभ्यासक्रमातील काही महत्त्वाचा भाग तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी आपल्या मराठी भाषेत सांगते. सर्वेक्षण म्हणजे असं समजा की दोन बिंदू किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त बिंदू कुठे पण असू शकतात, जसे की जमिनीवर किंवा जमिनीच्या खाली पाण्यामध्ये. या बिंदूची रिलेटिव्ह पोझिशन काढणं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अँग्युलर किंवा लिनियर मेजरमेंट. या रिलेटिव्ह पोझिशन काढण्याच्या आर्टला सर्वेक्षण म्हणतात. जमिनीचे सर्वेक्षण समान पातळीवर करण्यात येते आणि जमिनीची पातळी त्याच्या उंचीच्या प्रमाणात म्हणजे उंच सखल पातळीप्रमाणे ठरवण्यात येते. कमिंग टू अनदर डेफिनेशन्स. मॅप. इफ द स्केल ऑफ रिप्रेझेंटेशन इज स्मॉल then it is called as map. Example, a map of India. Then plan. If the scale of representation is large, then it is called plan. Example, a plan of a building or a plan of an estate. Horizontal distances are shown on plan. Vertical distances are also shown on a plan, sometimes represented approximately by means of contour lines or other systems. Then section. On a plan, vertical distances are correctly shown by means of vertical sections called section. Then object of surveying. First one is the preparation of a plan or map. Then to draw the results of survey on paper. To know the relative positions of point on ground. Then to collect different information. And then last to collect data for analysis. सर्वेक्षणाचे उद्दिष्ट असे आहे, सर्वेक्षण करण्यासाठी कागदावर नकाशा तयार करून वेगवेगळ्या माहितीद्वारे बिंदू निश्चित करून त्या माहितीचा उपयोग पृथक्करण करण्यासाठी करण्यात येतो. कमिंग टू डिव्हिजन्स ऑफ सर्वे. फर्स्ट वन इज द जिओडॅटिक सर्वे and second is the plane survey. Firstly we see the geodetic survey. Geodetic survey is also called as trigonometrically survey. In this survey it is necessary to take into account the curvature of earth since large distance and areas are covered. The earth is spheroidal. The line connecting any two points on the surface of the earth is curved. It is not a straight line. In this type of survey, the figure formed by the line joining three points on the mean surface of earth is spherical triangle with spherical angles. The sides of spherical triangle are arcs of great circle. The main object of geodetic surveying is to determine the precise positions of points on the surface of earth. Example, engineering survey, topographical survey and cadastral survey. Figure shows a spherical triangle ABC. The angles A0, B0 and C0 are the spherical angles. In the figure are AB, BC and CA are the sides of spherical triangle. The arc sides are showing the curvature of earth. If we ignored the curvature of earth, the figure thus formed is a plane triangle ABC which shows by straight line. Straight lines AB, BC and CA are the sides of a plane triangle. The angles A, B and C are plane angles. अशा प्रकारे मोठ्या विस्तीर्ण प्रक्षेत्रासाठी करण्यात येणारा सर्वे म्हणजे जिओडॅटिक सर्वे असतो. देन कमिंग टू द प्लेन सर्वे. ॲज द प्लेन सर्वे extend over small areas, therefore in this survey the curvature of earth is not taken into account. In plane surveying, the earth's surface is considered as a plane surface. The lines connecting any two points on the surface of earth are considered as straight line. Angles formed by any geometrical figures are considered as plane angle. To do the plane surveying, knowledge of geometry and plane trigonometry is required. In this type of surveying, the degree of accuracy required is comparatively low. If the survey area is less than 250 square kilometer, is termed as plane survey. Plain surveying methods are frequently employed for surveys of areas large extent when great accuracy is not required. The difference in arc and chord is about 0.1 meter in 18.2 kilometer, and difference between sum of angles of spherical triangle and plane triangle is 1 second for every 195.5 square kilometer of area. अशा प्रकारे लहान प्रक्षेत्रासाठी करण्यात येणारा सर्वे म्हणजे प्लेन सर्वे असतो. देन कंटिन्यूड विथ दॅट डिफरन्स बिटवीन प्लेन सर्वेइंग and geodetic surveying. In plane surveying, the effect of curvature of earth is not considered, while in geodetic surveying, the effect of curvature of earth is considered. Second, in plane surveying, the surface of earth is taken as a plane. In geodetic surveying, it involves the spherical trigonometry, so it is called trigonometrical survey. Then third, in plane surveying, the area to be surveyed less than 250 kilometers square, while in geodetic surveying, the area to be served more than 250 kilometers square, while in plane surveying, the degree of accuracy is low, while in geodetic surveying, the degree of accuracy is high. In plane surveying is conducted by state agencies like irrigation department, railway department. In geodetic surveying is conducted by Survey of India, that is GTS department. Coming to the classification of surveying, variety of ways are there for classifying the surveys as: first, classification based upon the nature of field survey, in that astronomical surveys, marine survey or navigation surveys, number last, land surveys. Then types of land surveys, topographical survey, in that to determine natural features of country such as valleys, hills, rivers, lakes, woods, roads, railways, canals, towns and villages, etc. Then cadastral survey, additional details such as boundaries of houses, pathways and fields are determined in this survey. Then city survey. Survey is used for laying out plots, construction of streets, sewers and water supply systems. Then engineering survey. This type of survey is used for determining quantities and collecting data for the design of engineering work. Example, roads, railways, reservoirs, etc. Then engineering survey is subdivided into reconnaissance survey. Survey is used for determining the feasibility and rough cost of the project. Then preliminary survey. Survey is used for collecting more precise data and to estimate the exact quantities and cost. Then location survey. Survey is used for setting out the work on the ground. Then classification based upon the object of survey. Archaeological survey. Survey is used for unearthing relics of antiquity. Then mine survey. Survey is used for exploring mineral wealth such as gold, coal, etc. Military survey. Survey is used for determining points of strategic importance, both defensive and offensive. Geological survey. Survey is used for determining different strata in the earth's crust. Continued with that, classification based upon the instrument used. Compass survey, plane table survey, chain survey, photographic survey, aerial survey, cross staff survey, theodolite survey, tachometric survey. Then classification based upon the methods employed in survey. First one is the triangulation survey and second one is the traverse survey. Then traverse survey again classified as open traverse survey and closed traverse survey. Next we will see the principles of surveying. The two principles on which various survey methods are based on: number one, to work from the whole to the part, and second, to fix the positions of new stations by at least two independent processes. We will see first principle in detail: to work from the whole to the part. In extensive surveys such as topographical or town survey, a system is established of control points with high precision. The points are established by triangulation or precise traversing for the horizontal control. In triangulation, the area to be served is divided into large triangles with great accuracy. The big triangles are further subdivided into small triangles as shown in figure. Due to this, one can prevent the accumulation of error and have a control and localize minor error. If we work from the part to the whole, small errors get magnified in the process of expansion of survey. Due to this, the errors become uncontrollable at the end. अशा प्रकारे मोठा प्रक्षेत्र गृहीत धरल्यानंतर त्या प्रक्षेत्राचे लहान लहान भाग करण्यात येऊन त्या भागाचे सर्वेक्षण करण्यात येते. म्हणजे त्यामध्ये झालेली लहानशी चूक मोठ्या प्रक्षेत्रावर सर्वेक्षणामध्ये प्रभाव करणार नाही. Then to fix the positions of new stations by at least two independent processes. The positions of new stations are fixed from points already fixed by different methods as linear measurement, angular measurement, both linear and angular measurements. Linear measurement refer to horizontal distances measured by chain or tape. Angular measurement refers to the magnetic bearing or horizontal angle taken by prismatic compass or theodolite. Example, measurements and plotting of main lines and stations points are checked by means of check or tie lines in case of chain surveying. सर्वेक्षण करत असताना चेन सर्वेने सर्वेक्षण केले जाते, कंपास सर्वे आणि ट्रॅव्हर्स सर्वेने सर्वेक्षण केले जाते. आपल्याला दोन बिंदूची रेफरन्स दिलेली असतील ए आणि बी, तर आपल्याला सी पॉइंटची पोझिशन माहिती करून घ्यायची. आपल्याकडे खूप मेथड्स आहेत, तर आपल्याला चेनच्या सहाय्याने डिस्टन्स माहिती करून घेता येईल, तर हा चेन सर्वे. जर आपल्याला रेफरन्स दिलेला आहे तर एका पॉइंटची पोझिशन माहिती करून घ्यावी लागेल, तर तो ट्रॅव्हर्स सर्वे होते. ट्रॅव्हर्स सर्वे एक प्रकारची पद्धत आहे, प्लेन टेबल स्टेशन मध्ये पण वापरता येते. देन जर आपल्याला रेफरन्स दिलेला आहे आणि सी पॉइंटची पोझिशन माहिती करून घ्यायची, अँग्युलर फॉर्म मध्ये अँगल्स आहेत, तर तो कंपास सर्वे झाला. देन कमिंग टू द युजेस ऑफ सर्वेज. सर्वेइंग इज अन आर्ट अँड सायन्स ऑफ मॅप making. Then earliest surveys were confident to measurement of land and establishment of boundaries. The engineers must be familiar with the principles and practice of surveying. Then all engineering and construction projects extends over large areas such as highways, irrigation, water supply, railways, etc. are based on elaborate and complete surveys. Then last use the preparation of accurate plans and sections is the first necessary in all engineering projects. सर्वेक्षण ही एक विज्ञानामधील नकाशा तयार करण्याची एक पद्धत आहे. त्यामध्ये जमिनीच्या मोजमापानुसार त्याच्या सीमा आखण्यात येतात. मोठ्या क्षेत्रामधील बांधकामे, मोठे मोठे रस्ते, जलसिंचन, पाणी वाहतूक, रेल्वे इत्यादीसाठी विविध माध्यमांद्वारे सर्वेक्षण करण्यात येते. यामध्ये विविध प्रकारच्या योजनांसाठी नकाशाचे अचूकता फार महत्त्वाची असते. सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. वी विल सी कंटूर. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.